Find someone to compete with. Read a self-help book. Seek professional counseling. Play video games. Write a book or story. Get more sleep. Replace bad habits with healthy ones. Read a fiction book. Scream audibly. Watch less TV. Tackle small, doable projects. Help people who are worse off than you. Write out your big goals. Volunteer. Resdiscover old passions. Change up your daily routine. Take a mini vacation. Practice yoga. Learn a new skill. Plan something in the future you can look forward to. Solidify the vision you are working toward. Reach out to old friends. Start exercising regularly. Meditate.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.